Hi, I'm Scott Campbell with Solve 3D.
And I'm Kevin Miller at Solve 3D.
Kevin, sometimes when I'm classifying point cloud data, like the project we've got up here on the screen, I get problems with the classification. So here I've got, one of those covered arches in a parking lot, classified as building gray, but it has inadvertently mixed in some vegetation, which is the green dots that we're seeing there. Now, I understand we now have a function that can help clean this up a bit. Can you walk me through that?
For sure. Yeah, so this problem might occur when you're doing some deep learning or you trained a model and it might just not have that accuracy, but it's something that we can easily fix. So uh, to get to that function inside of the solved engine workflow side here on the right hand side of my screen, you can just go to the training classification module and find the refine point cloud classification function. So you just click on it and add it to your operation area. And then you're just going to want to select those files. So we'll go select the input file. I'm going to select the original classified file here. And I'm going to select an output file. I'll just call it classified 2 or fixed. And you have to select the units. We do have some additional advanced parameters if you want to fine tune how well it clusters certain things and how well it segments things out, but you can always refer to our documentation if you want to know more about that. I'm just going to leave it on the default right now, and we're going to hit execute and confirm that and hit execute. So depending on the size of your file, this may take a couple minutes. I think for this file, it takes about a minute and a half. So we'll just let it run here. There we go.
Here we go. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the results.
Yep. So I'll just pop these up here. And so you got the before on the left and the after on the right.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Similar angle, but you can see like this, especially this little whatever this covering is now classified as buildings properly. It's removed that vegetation out, cleaned up some of the noise. I mean, it's always going to pick the most dense classification for that area. So that's why you still see, like you see here in the background, maybe these should all be pink and noise, but the vegetation was classified as vegetation. So it's not going to fix things like that, but you could always go back in and manually fix those if you need to using the point cloud markup.
Point cloud markup tool. Yeah, right on. Okay, well, that's pretty cool, Kevin. Thanks very much.
Yeah, no problem.